Imagine lying awake, staring at the ceiling. It's frustrating, right? Insomnia affects millions, but there are effective solutions. Let's explore how to fix insomnia step by step. Insomnia is the inability to fall or stay asleep. It can happen due to stress, lifestyle, or health issues. Addressing insomnia requires understanding its causes and solutions. First, establish a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. This trains your body to expect sleep at specific times. Next, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities before bed. This can include reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing deep breathing. Don't forget your sleep environment. Make your bedroom a sleep haven. Keep it dark, quiet, and cool to encourage restful sleep. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from devices can interfere with sleep. Aim to turn off screens at least an hour before bedtime. Watch what you consume. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Instead, opt for a light snack or herbal tea. Let's consider an example. Sarah struggled with insomnia for years. She started by sticking to a sleep schedule. Gradually, she noticed improvement. After creating a bedtime routine, she felt more relaxed. Soon, she found herself falling asleep faster. In summary, fixing insomnia is achievable. Stick to a sleep schedule, create a bedtime routine, and optimize your space. Avoid screens and watch your diet too. With dedication, restful sleep can be yours. Ready to tackle your insomnia? Start today by choosing one strategy to try. Sleep well and wake refreshed.